Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Shripad will be a union cabinet minister if Modi becomes PM. CM declares in a special head-on. Admits of compromising on issues but denies U-turns. "11 cases of Model Code of Conduct violations. First complaint against Alex Reginald. Election Commission conducts special workshop for visually impaired. "90% of Congress and BJP leaders have land at Mopa. They are trying to encash it by taking airport project ahead. Churchill rose at Saudi CONCON meeting. Churchill is a package candidate of BJP, says Vijay Sardesai. Gujarat model will ruin Goa, says Luisin. Alex Reginald vows for mining resumption. And moderate polling in northeast states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur. Polling at Mizoram postponed to 11th. Now the news in detail. Shripad Naik will be a cabinet minister if Narendra Modi comes to power. CM Manohar Parrikar declared this in a special head-on. He cleared that he has no interest in taking up Union Home Ministry. He claimed he has not taken you on any issues, but has compromised on certain issues.
तुमको दिसता की श्रीपाद भाऊ जरा तो जिकून आयले. He will be a part of the Union cabinet.
पहिली म्हणजे जिकून आयले हो प्रश्न एक्सेप्ट करपाक तयार ना. It is
जिकून आयले
guaranteed 101%
full stop करता
with huge margin.
So म्हणजे श्रीपाद भाऊ जिकले अशें. Will he be a part of Union cabinet?
Obviously.
He will be a part of Union. You are making very clear. Okay.
काही गोष्टी जेन्ना करता नॉर्मल तातून भितर जर तूं फाल्यां लक्षात आयलें की ही गोष्ट करी जाल्यार नुकसान जातलें तर there is no harm in accepting that okay this issue has to be handled differently, but that is not manifesto issue. If I take a U-turn on policy matter, you tell me. कळ्ळें का? But you the change in direction on normal issues is a part of administration. It is not only realistic, it is also right.
It's a very pragmatic approach.
Prudent to shift if required in order to achieve the goal.
The last week काही national newspaper ने report आलो कि you are the next home minister of India. Now that was a very समकस glaring report because गोंयकार म्हणून आमच्या सगळ्यांत अति महत्वाचा report तो.
नाही एक गजाल आसा की प्रधानमंत्री कॅबिनेट सिलेक्ट करता.
That report claimed that the information came from top RSS and BJP leaders.
म्हजे कडेन तरी कोण उलोवना म्हाका इंट्रस्ट ना.
Around 11 cases of violation of Code of Conduct have been registered with the Election Commission. The Joint Electoral Officer, Narayan Nauti, informed that a fresh complaint has been filed against South Goa Congress candidate Alex Reginald on Wednesday. Election Commission, in a special effort, had organized special workshop for visually impaired and physically challenged voters to cast their vote without help of any guardian.
आमचे साधारण आयल्यो 11 कंप्लेनी सगळ्यो डिस्पोज जाल्ल्यो आसा. आज एक नवीन कंप्लेन आयिल्ली आसा एका कॅन्डिडेटान की ताणें फॉल्स एफिडेविट फायल केलें अशें म्हणून कारण तातूंत जे ताजी कंप्लेंट्स आनी ताणें बॉन्ड घेतलेलो आसा ताजे खंयच ताजे एफिडेविटान उल्लेख ना म्हणून आमी ती सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टराक धाडून दिता फॉर इन्क्वायरी. वन मिस्टर रिजनल काँग्रेसचो जो कॅन्डिडेट आसा ताजे अगेन्स्ट एलिना बॉर्जिस म्हणटा ताणें कंप्लेंट दिल्ली आसा. ती कंप्लेंट न्ही तातूंत आसा की ताणें ताजी क्रिमिनल केस आसा ती केस ताणें एफिडेविटान रिफ्लेक्ट करूंक ना अशें म्हणून आमी आयडेंटिफाय केले सादारण नॉर्थ गोवान 8 आनी सावथ गोवान 22 असे ब्लायंड वोटर्स आसा तांचे खातीर ब्रेल ट्रेनिंग ही 7 तारखेच्यान आमी चालू केल्या आनी ती 10 तारीख पर्यंत सोंपतली.
Physically handicapped people are identified by the BLOs. All the polling stations are in basic minimum facilities regarding ramp, electricity, water, toilets. For electors also as a social measure, drinking water facilities available at all the polling stations since the poll is going on a hot summer, that is 12th of April.
Election Commission had organized a special training session for visually impaired voters in Kankon. They were taught how to cast their vote without help of any person.
Ponda दाखवला, वास्को दाखवला, मागीर मारगांव दाखवला, केपें दाखवला, काणकोण दाखवला.
Election awareness rally was also organized in Vasco and Ponda. Voters were appealed to come out in large number on 12th April and cast their vote.
ह्या इलेक्शनाक एक अवेरनेस क्रिएट करपाक की चडांत चड लोकांनी येवन ह्या इलेक्शनाक लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक मतदान करचें हाका लागून हे गायडलायन्सा प्रमाणे एक आमकां महिला जे इलेक्टर्स आसा वोटर्स तांची एक रॅली काडपाक जाय त्या प्रमाणे ही आमी आज रॅली हांगा ऑर्गनायज केल्ली आसा.
इलेक्शन सारकें लागीं पावल्लें आसा 12 तारखेक इलेक्शन जावन आसा आमचें तेन्ना मत तुमी कोणाकूय मारात पूण मत तुमी पिड्यार करिनाकात.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Trinamool Congress South Goa candidate Churchill Alemao has alleged that Congress and BJP leaders have purchased land at Mopa and hence both are trying to promote the airport. Churchill also said that he will take up Mopa and mining issue once he is elected. Churchill Alemao addressed Saudi Kankon public meeting.
काँग्रेसीचे पण आमदार आहे 90% आणि बीजेपी पण 90% आमदार आहे. तेमी ते मोपा जाग्याचेर साथ गेल्याय बाट गेल्याय त्या बाटा प्लेस हाडपाक आज ना हाल्या तो एअरपोर्ट होताय. ममता बनर्जी हांवें सांगलें म्हगेले 2 पॉइंट गोंयचे मोपा एअरपोर्ट स्क्रॅप आनी दुसरो पळय म्हणटा हे पारीकारान सगळ्या पिशांकान इलिगल मायन जी बंद करपाची ती लिगल मायन बंद करून आणि काणकोणकारांनी सांगपाक नाका आनी कोस्टल बेल्टा वचना काय गेल्यार तुका कितको हाताय ते म्हाका खबर आहा.
Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Manipur for Lok Sabha polls. India's 4 northeastern states witnessed brisk polling in the Lok Sabha election on Wednesday, with Nagaland recording 82.5% voter turnout and Manipur as well as Arunachal Pradesh seeing around 70% balloting. Polling was also held for the 60th member assembly in Arunachal Pradesh. The polling to single Lok Sabha constituency in Mizoram, which was also scheduled on Wednesday, has been postponed to 11th April. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.